Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want you to put yourself in the shoes of a reporter and to share why you can be so valuable to them. It used to be back in the glory days that reporters had writers and editors and cameramen and all these people that worked with them that helped them get their stories together. Very often today, it is the reporter. The reporter writes, edits. If it's for television, they're writing the television copy, they're editing. Of course, they'll have a camera person with them, but it's really scaled down. So when you have this reporter who has all this work to do, imagine how valuable you are when you learn how to pitch really good stories. And there's a statistic out there that I believe is 70% of all stories that we see in the news come from pitches. They come from people like us. So learn how to pitch a really good story and become super valuable to a journalist, and they will welcome you into their tribe. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like this and you'd like to learn more, we have a 10-day challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com. There is no cost to join, and I take you through every step of the process so that you can land more media and have hundreds of thousands, even millions of people learning about your business. So I will see you in our challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.